Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to share with you how you can prepare fried onions, also known as birista, easily at home. Here I have taken one big size onion and prepared the birista or the fried onion for the recipes. I will show you how crunchy it is. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here I have taken one big size onion. As you have seen by the size, it is a pretty big size onion, and if you have a small onion, then take 2 to 3 medium size onions. Cut the ends of the onions as I am showing you here and peel the skin from the onion. Now wash the onion and pat it dry. I have already did that. Now cut it into 2 equal sizes. And you have noticed the onion is pretty much very big, because in USA you will find the big size onions like the big potato in India. So if you are using the smaller size, then use 4 medium size onions for this recipe. Now you have to finely slice the onions. Make sure to use the sharp knife to slice the onions. So as you are slicing the onions, you will notice it will starts cutting quickly, and then you will move it. Similarly, cut all the slices from the onions. Here I have cut all the slices from the onion, and for the next step, just with a very light hand, you have to rub it in between your hand, and you will notice each and every slice is separated. This step is important. So you have to separate each and every slice of the onion. Now you have seen few pieces are little bit big, so finally cut it into smaller pieces, and now the onions are ready for the next step. Take a pan, add 4 tablespoons of any cooking oil and let the oil warm. Once the oil is lukewarm, add the sliced onion into it. And now once you have add all the onion pieces into the pan, just mix it with the oil as I am doing here, and now you have to cook it on high to medium flame for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you will notice the onions are slightly cooked and slightly brown. At this point, you have to reduce the heat to low to medium flame and keep on stirring. So basically, when you are cooking your lunch or dinner, you can prepare this, but you have to keep an eye on this. You have to keep on stirring until it comes to the brown color. And you will notice this is the stage at 10 minutes, after 10 minutes, because we are cooking it on low flame after 2 minutes. So it starts cooking slowly, and you have to keep on stirring. Make sure the heat is on low flame, otherwise it will start burning, and only few of the onions are cooked and few of the onions are uncooked. So you have to keep on cooking. So now it's been 12 minutes I am cooking, and you have seen most of the onions are slightly brown. We are looking for this type of color. We are going to cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you will notice the onions are properly cooked. At this point, switch off the gas, and you have to remove this onto the clean kitchen towel as you have seen here, so that the excess oil stays in the pan. Remove all the fried onions quickly into the kitchen towel, and you can use this oil in the different recipes because this is a flavorful oil. After removing from the pan, let it cool down slightly, and I will show you one piece. So we are looking for this type of color for the birista or the fried onion, and I will show you after 5 to 6 minutes.
And now as you can see, this is done. Each and every pieces look so good. You can see from all the sides, as you can see here, and you will hear the crunch. If I am doing this, this is how it looks like, as you can see here, so crunchy.
So you have noticed how easily we have prepared the birista or the fried onions for the biryanis, and with the different recipes we can use in it. You can store this into an airtight container for up to 1 week. But when you are cooking these, you have to keep in mind, for the first 2 minutes you have to cook it on high flame, and after that another 12 to 15 minutes or until it turns brown, you have to cook it on the low flame while stirring in between, and you will get the perfect birista or the fried onion. And if you like this easy recipe of fried onion or birista, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.